everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing some Christmas decor DIYs with you guys, and this is the first one that we have today. So I got these items here from the Dollar Tree. These jugs here, don't they look cute? Little vases. They look like a milk jug. I like how they look. And I have these silver bowls. These nice little silver bowls. They come in a pack of 4. And I'll be using some of this Glam silver chain that I got from BB Craft. So let's start my first series of our Christmas DIYs for 2022. Okay, so we have our 2 little, I'm calling them milk jugs. They're such cute vases. So I have 2 of them, and I will be using some of our Glam silver chain. And I'll just be using some Gorilla Glue to apply them to our jugs. And this is the first time I'm using the Gorilla Glue, you guys. Let's try it and see what it's all about. Okay, let's put one vase aside, and we are going to add our silver chain to the vase. So now I'm going to put it through the loop here. And I'm going to come around again. Now I'm just checking how it looks. I want some of the chain to hang down and some just to go straight across. So I'm just going to cut because I have the amount I need. So I'm just going to cut it off. And now I'm going to apply the glue to our chain. There we go, to keep that in place. Now I'm just going to bring it around. Make sure the loop is hanging there. Does not look good. So I'm just going to put it through the handle. And now I'm going to apply some more of our glue so we can glue down the chain going right around. Now with this Gorilla Glue, there is a scent to it. I do smell something with it. On the E6000, I didn't have a scent. Like I told you guys before, the one that we have in Canada, there's no scent to it. But this Gorilla Glue here, there is a scent. It's not bothering me, but I do smell it. So there we go. Alright, I decided to add some of this Glam ribbon here to our milk jug. I got this from BB Craft also. So I'm just going to use some hot glue and apply the strip going around the bottom part of our milk jug. Okay, there we go. Our first jug is all finished. Now we're going to add the strip to our second milk jug vase. Yeah. So again, I'm going to use the hot glue and apply it to the bottom of the vase. And now I'm adding some more of our Glam chain going right around the top part. So I'm just going to feed it through like I did before, add the glue and glue it down. Now it's time to take our silver bowl that we have here. They're so cute. I like how shiny they are. So I'm just going to add it to the top part of our milk jug vase. Whoops, I forgot to remove the label. The little tag at the bottom of the jug, so I'm just going to remove that quickly. And then I'm just going to use some hot glue and glue down our silver bowl to the top part of our jug. And this is the part where we'll be placing our candle in. And now we have our 2 pieces done. So we are going to use some Gorilla Glue and glue the 2 pieces together and set them to dry for 24 hours. Okay, so now I have another milk jug I'm going to decorate to make a smaller candle holder. So we're placing some of the strips going around the bottom, just like before with the other candle holder. And now we're going to add some more of our glam chain going through the top part of the milk jug. But this time I'm going to loop the chain going around the jug twice. The other candle holder was once. For this one, I'll loop it going twice around the top part of the jug. And now we're going to take our silver bowl and attach it to the top part of our candle holder. Again, I'll just be using some hot glue to attach it. And here is our finished look for our milk jug candle holders. I love how they turned out. They make a nice and easy glam Christmas decor for our Christmas season of 2022. And it was so easy and fast to make. And you can use tea light holders, or Dollar Tree has some little candles that come in the little glass container already. You can place it inside here and light your candles. I think they'll make a lovely piece of Christmas decor, or even make them as a gift for a friend or a loved one. Alright everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's Christmas candle holders. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you in today's first video of my Christmas decor series. And I do hope you'll come back and see more of what I have to share with you. Remember, I upload videos every Wednesday and Sunday. And here are the two candle holders by themselves. Don't they look cute? Just like this also. Alright everyone, remember as always to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.